Dear friends, let's dive into the captivating tale of a humble household hero that revolutionized the world of hygiene, the soap dispenser. It's a story filled with unexpected twists, brilliant inventors, and a touch of sudsy charm. So, grab your favorite bar of soap, or better yet, get cozy with a bottle of liquid soap, because this is going to be a bubbly ride through history. Our story takes us back to the early 20th century, when the world was undergoing rapid transformations. It was a time when innovation was in the air, and the idea of making daily chores easier was all the rage. Enter the soap dispenser, the unsung hero of cleanliness. Imagine a world where every time you wanted to wash your hands, you had to fumble around for a slippery bar of soap. A bit unhygienic, right? Well, that's precisely the predicament folks found themselves in until the advent of this ingenious contraption. The journey begins with the brilliant mind of Luther H. Cudaback, an American inventor with a penchant for practical solutions. In 1920, Cudaback was granted a patent for what he called the liquid soap dispensing device. While it wasn't quite the modern soap dispenser we know today, it was a significant step in the right direction. This device consisted of a glass container with a spigot at the bottom, which could be used to dispense liquid soap, but it wasn't exactly user-friendly or widely adopted at the time. Fast forward to 1948, when the soap dispenser got a much-needed makeover, thanks to a man named William Sheppard. Sheppard, an engineer and inventor, introduced the world to the soap in a bottle dispenser. His design was a game-changer, featuring a plastic bottle with a pump mechanism that could dispense liquid soap effortlessly. It was a revelation. As Sheppard's invention began to gain popularity, it soon found its way into public restrooms, schools, and even homes. No more messy bars of soap, no more shared soap dishes, just clean, convenient hand washing at the push of a pump. It was a soap lover's dream come true. But the soap dispenser story doesn't end there. As the years rolled on, various innovators put their own spin on this handy gadget. Sensor-activated dispensers, wall-mounted units, and eco-friendly designs emerged, making the soap dispenser a ubiquitous presence in modern bathrooms and kitchens worldwide. Today, we owe a debt of gratitude to the ingenious minds of Cudaback and Sheppard, and the countless inventors who followed in their sudsy footsteps. The soap dispenser, once a luxury, has become a household staple, ensuring that clean hands are just a pump away. So, the next time you find yourself in front of a soap dispenser, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey it undertook to become a part of your daily routine. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of hygiene, and a reminder that even the most ordinary objects can have extraordinary origins. As you lather up your hands with that foamy liquid soap, remember the trailblazers who paved the way for this hygienic convenience. And the next time someone asks about the origins of the soap dispenser, you'll be armed with a story that's as entertaining as it is informative. Happy hand washing, my friends.